Hey guys, me and Alex are back with another tasting video, but this one is interesting. It's not just snacks and candy, it's biscuits!
And as we're from the UK, we're big into biscuits and tea, so...
And I think, you know, to try out some biscuits, it's us you need to call, don't you think?
Yeah, call us.
We were lucky enough to be sent this by the Biscuit Baron. This box is awesome. The Biscuit Baron, dunk and discover. So the kettle's boiled.
Yeah, and these are biscuits from all around the world, aren't they?
Yep.
Not just showcasing biscuits from the UK, this is everything.
Yeah, each month is different, isn't it? And I love this box. You've got
it's big, isn't it?
Post-it stamps from everywhere.
Postage stamps, yeah.
Oh, you can follow them on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. The Biscuit Baron.
Yeah.
Shall we get in and
Let's start
see
again.
which country we're trying?
Oh, from Belgium.
Belgium!
Oh, Belgique.
There's a card here. Population 11.35 million. And it says, hello!
Ooh.
Is that how you say it? Oh, wow.
Oh, Lotus.
Yeah.
Speculoos. That's
So
what they call it,
when you
isn't it?
open it up, we've got... Exciting.
I am excited. Oh, I've just seen something else that's exciting.
Okay, so when you open it up, you get two little forms. One, I reckon, is a little fact sheet that you always get. So one, you know where you're going. And this is a piece of card, and it's got a photo of everything we try, and it's got a little bit of info on each one. That's cool that you got a photo and info. A country famous for its chocolate. It's not a far reach to say that other sweet treats are equally as delicious. A real mix of biscuits in this month's box should certainly have your mouth watering. Should we do it in their order?
That's great news. But this says toast. Don't you think that's going to be slightly, they look savoury?
I would say that was biscuit.
When we're talking biscuit, does it have to be just something that's crunchy and crumbly?
Maybe.
Because this is more those like savoury toasts that you get.
And
Toast
that looks
and chips,
amazing.
they look so good.
Should we start with those?
Yeah, these look great. Shall we do the cup of tea now?
Yeah.
So they say about having these with a cup of tea, but they don't provide you with a tea bag. So we'll have to go use our own.
Yeah.
Well, see you in a sec. And we're back. I've got my cup of English breakfast tea. So we were meant to have a scorecard. We don't have one of those, so we're just gonna do what we normally do
And score normally. But if you get this box, I think you get a scorecard in this, and then you can upload it to their Facebook page.
Yeah.
That's clever, isn't it? This is a hard, dry biscuit or a twice-baked bread, which historically was baked in this way to reduce moisture and risk of mold, allowing it to last longer when travelling. Traditionally called Biscuits, also known as Dutch crisp bakes. Oh wow. They are light, round, crumbly rusks. Oh, we used to have those when we were younger, didn't we? You're going without me?
You're just taking so long to say that, and I'm so hungry. I wonder how many people are going to comment on this video and say, there's an old man in your back garden watering your plants. These are really great.
These are amazing. Are they slightly herby? Personally, I wouldn't dip them in there.
I wouldn't have that with tea, no. But maybe the other ones they were talking about you will.
Delicious. I'm giving these a 10 out of 10.
I'm not angry, but these aren't a biscuit.
No. Okay, what are we going for next?
These are a 10 for me, by the way. Never said that. I reckon
11.
I reckon these waffles. It's like a bag of waffles dipped in chocolate.
Yeah.
We don't have stuff like this at home, do we?
Often adorned with fresh fruit and cream, you can taste them here with some famous Belgian chocolate.
Well, they're famous in Belgium for their waffles, aren't they? So I would imagine these are going to be pretty great.
Are they like hard? Oh wow, and because it's really hot here, that chocolate is melting in my fingers. Cheers.
You're going to say they're dry.
I thought.
But I like things like that, especially.
Because they are good for tea.
Yeah.
If I try dunk this, I reckon it would just be soggy. Now, I'm going to dunk everything because it says about dunking it. And lots of people in England dunk their biscuits, but I am not a dunker. You do
you're a
sometimes. I'm not that person.
I'm a dunker.
You do, don't you? I don't, because at the bottom of my tea I then find little bits.
No, you're a slammer.
And
They're an 8, because I do much prefer those, and I think I'm going to prefer some of the stuff in there. they're an 8, but dunkability is 10. Because they're so dry, you
It
drop them
just
in,
soaks up.
it just soaks up all the tea, it's delicious.
I'm probably only going to give them a 7. They're really quite dry, but
Really?
waffles are when you have them not hot. But, like you said, the dunkability in the chocolate's really nice.
Right, believe it or not, we're a third of the way through. 2 down, 4 to go.
Oh yeah, it looks like you get loads. You only actually get 6, but
It's cool,
they're
you get a
kind
couple
enough
of
to
things.
give 2 of this and 3 of those, and a whole packet of each of the ones.
Yeah.
What do you want to do next?
I think the wafers.
Okay.
'Cause I think I've had those Prince things before, and I want to save those till last because they're
Oh, what? Because
great.
they're better.
Yeah.
Okay, scent wafers.
Well, these are hazelnut.
They are very well known and very popular in Belgium.
Hazelnut.
Originating with a man named Edward Perrine, an importer of flour and grain in 1890. These wafers were created after the purchase of a struggling business to help make use of his imports.
Cheers.
Light and crunchy with a smooth hazelnut filling, it's not hard to see why. Now, I'm not the biggest Nutella fan, but I actually like that.
Well, because it's not as strong as Nutella, it's much lighter.
That's really nice. The
Let's
real,
see, dunkability.
you could probably do the slam.
Very good. Nice dunk. Oh, I think it even gets a bit sweeter when
Melts the chocolate a bit.
they're great. And they're
That's
not like
really
really
nice with
strong
them.
flavour, are they? They're just nice.
I think that's why I like them.
I'm going to give those a 9. I really love those. And dunkability factor, I'm going to give those, did I give the other ones a 10 as well?
No, you gave them a 9 or 8, didn't you?
No, I gave the biscuit an 8 and I think I gave dunkability a 10.
10.
So I think the dunkability of these are probably slightly less because I think these would fall apart more. So I'm going to go for a 9.
These are really nice. I'm going for a 9 as well. I can't believe I'm giving something with a hazelnut filling a 9. Really
Yeah,
nice.
you're not a hazelnut, are you?
No.
Well,
Okay.
should we go for these because
Yes.
these are classic. Everyone knows about Lotus, Biscoff, speculoos.
Speculoos. Speculoos are thin, crunchy, caramelised biscuits traditionally baked to celebrate St. Nicholas's Day in Belgium. I did not know
Is
that.
that Christmas?
Similar to our Christmas stocking in the UK, the lightly spiced speculoos are traditionally placed into children's shoes. That's really cool. Left at the bottom of their beds on the 6th of December before St. Nicholas's Day, because they have it a different day.
But we quite often have speculoos here, don't we? Or these Lotus. They've become really big. They're the kind of biscuits you get with a cup of tea at like a hotel or...
Yeah, if you're staying at a hotel or like a restaurant at the end with your cup of coffee. Different to what I remember. I feel like I've not had one in a while.
Dunkability, I think, is going to be good
Oh,
because
I
it's quite a
reckon.
hard, dense biscuit.
And I think this is why it's always with the coffee and the tea in hotels, because they know it is good.
Dunkability, 10. The biscuit, it's not my favourite biscuit. It's
No.
good. It's probably a 7 for me.
They brought out a spread.
Yeah, I've seen the spread.
Like, you know, Trader Joe's had a crunchy and a smooth. They brought out one. I'm yet to try that though. Let me know if you tried that in the comments below.
Right, should we go for those ones in the yellow packets?
Yes.
This looks quite like a chocolate bar.
And almost like that thing we tried in...
Oh, it says ban-an-an.
Didn't we try something? I can't remember what candy box it was
Yeah,
now.
Polish, wasn't it?
Polish, and it had like banana filling.
Yeah.
This is interesting. Chocolate olay. I wonder if it's got almost like biscuity bits in it.
Right, here you go. Would you like a piece?
Yes, please. Oh,
Oh,
the
it's so
little,
melty.
little bits.
Because it's
Oh,
actually
oh
really
wow,
hot
do you
here
see
for
that?
a change.
Oh, it's like a that's not a cream centre, is it? What do you call that? Yeah, like a cream centre.
Yeah, cream centre. Yeah, it is banana.
Hoo-hoo.
That's
Well-
strange.
And strong.
So dunkability on this, I'm going to give 0.
zero.
You
Although
want
if you
another one?
started, no, I'm thinking. I don't know if I like it.
I think that's the kind of thing that's got to grow on you.
I like the
It's-
chocolate though.
It's so strange. We don't have any chocolate bars with banana here, and I love bananas. But that's just a bit odd to me.
At first, I
The
thought
chocolate's really good though,
the
isn't
chocolate's amazing, especially as it's warm.
it? Well, it's from Belgium, so you'd hope so.
And then the banana filling at first was really nice, and then it was like, whoa, it's powerful.
It's just
it
quite
almost.
pungent, isn't it?
Did anyone else have banana medicine growing up? Did you try that?
No? Banana medicine.
Sometimes when you go to the doctors, it had to be kept in the fridge, and it was yellow, and it was banana flavoured.
Oh, maybe.
And you'd have to have a spoon, and
really
I loved
remember.
it so much. Oh my word, we've got one thing left.
Only one thing, but I have to say,
We've got a whole pack.
last year I went to France and we did pick up a pack of these because,
The same things, yeah.
yeah, Prince, they look so good. They're like a sandwich biscuit on each side and then chocolate in the middle.
You'll find these Prince biscuits in many different households, although extremely popular in France. These biscuits have a Belgium hailing, The Prince biscuit was created in Antwerp in honour of Leopold II, nicknamed the Prince of Belgium, in order to provide him with a chocolatey treat that would not melt in his hands. With marketing of the biscuit around 80 years after creation, these biscuits grew in popularity throughout Europe.
I love these because the biscuit is good.
It's like a...
And the chocolate is really great
like
as
a
well.
chocolate cream.
It's like just enough chocolate to biscuit ratio.
Yeah.
Drinkability on these is going to be strong.
I would say that's a perfect amount of chocolate to biscuit because when it comes to chocolate, I'm not the biggest. I don't want too much filling in the middle.
This dunk is amazing.
Really?
Yeah, try it. Because it soaks it up really well.
I wonder if they do an Oreo style double stuff.
And you're like left with a creamy chocolate in the middle.
Yeah, when you dunk it, the biscuit goes completely soft.
But the biscuit's like hard enough in the first place that it's not going to fall apart.
That was really nice. Do I need to even ask what you're going to give that?
Yeah, it's a 10 with the dunkability of 10.
I thought it was so. I'd reckon. I think these, I actually, for some reason, prefer these more than when you bought them back from France. Is it because I'm set up with a cup of tea, or do you reckon it's a different?
I don't think you've had it from a cup of tea. These are exactly the same ones.
Enjoying a biscuit with a cup of tea is so much better.
It just changes the experience completely.
Delicious. I'm going to give the dunkability a 10, and I'll give these a 9.5.
Oh really? Why?
I don't know. I reckon if it was a vanilla cream centre, that would be a 10.
Does it for you. Oh look. Oh, we've opened these wrong. It's a resealable.
That is awesome.
So you like pour and then they slide along and you just pour them out.
I've never seen that on a biscuit thing.
No, neither have I.
Does it rip it?
I wondered why it was a different colour.
Or is that just a sticker?
I don't think so, look.
Oh my word, that's amazing.
That's so cool. I wondered why this section was a different colour.
I've never seen a biscuit
like that before.
packet like that.
No.
How good.
That's awesome. So overall, I'd say that's a really good box.
Yeah.
I'm happy. If I ordered that, I'd actually be happy with that.
Yeah.
Because there's a good selection, and the sizes of the things are great because they could have just sent one of these bars.
Easily.
But the fact they've sent you a couple, and then you've got a whole bag of biscuits.
I reckon what they do is 6 every month. But with the Lotus biscuits, they gave 3 because they were smaller, and those 2 because they were smaller.
Yeah.
So you get a decent amount of food in this box, so definitely worth the price. So go check out the website and go get yourself a box. And there's also going to be another link because the guys at the Biscuit Baron have been kind enough to offer a free box to one of our subscribers. So click the giveaway link, sign up, it's super easy, and you might be able to win one of these boxes.
Yeah, there'll be a couple of ways you can enter just by subscribing on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all those kind of things, and you could win yourself one of those.
Yeah, did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I enjoyed it, did you?
I really enjoyed it. I love the fact they were just like biscuits, and those toast things were amazing, weren't they?
Oh, those toast things. Not great with tea, I don't think.
No.
But they were delicious.
If you do get this box, don't forget to try it with a cup of tea. It's absolutely delicious.
Yeah, and if you do get it, let us know and tell us what you thought of the box. We'd love to hear.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.